大家好，这里是百味厨娘。
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
就行。最后我们把它按揉成这样软硬适中的面团，就一个汤圆大小的面团，在掌心给它揉搓圆润。按同样的方法，我们把剩余面团都揉成这样大小均匀的小圆子，然后依次放入蒸屉。蒸屉里提前放的胶垫防粘，就不用再刷油了。每个圆子之间留有大一点空隙，防止粘连在一起。 冷水上锅，大火烧开后放上蒸屉，由大火转中火蒸15分钟。时间差不多了，还没掀锅盖，就已经满屋红枣香了。开盖，我们可以看到每个圆子看着都很软糯香甜。咬一口是劲道还拉丝，太有意思了，好吃好玩还经放。一次多做点儿，吃不完的我们放一边，让它自然冷却，用保鲜盒把它装起来。放入冰箱保存3个月内随吃随拿，简直不要太方便啊！如此好吃又营养的红枣糯米圆子，非常值得您为家人收藏安排。好了，今天的视频就到这里了，感谢您的收看，我们下期视频再见。